Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I'm with ClownAntics.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use a magic coloring book. Who here likes to color? Oh my goodness, I love to color. Sometimes it's hard to stay in the lines, but I try really hard. This morning, I worked on this coloring book all morning, and I am so excited to show you guys. I was drawing magicians and lions and acrobats and circus artists, and it was so fun and imaginative when I was working on this book. Would you like to see my work? I can't wait. Whew! All that color that I worked on all day, how was it? What? There's no color? What are you talking about? What do you... Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, where'd my color go? Did you take my color? No! Did you take my color? You didn't either? Well, does anybody here have magic powers? I kinda have magic powers, but I need your help. I need all of your help. So, what's your favorite magic word? Mine is bibbidi bobbidi boo. So, on the count of 3, you're all gonna wave your magic fingers and say your magic word. 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Awesome. Let's see all the color. What? There's nothing. What are you talking about? What'd you guys do with my pictures? Oh my goodness. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Can we try that again? Okay, good. Really focus. Okay, count of 3. Magic fingers. 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. All right, can't wait to see. How's all the color? What? No color? Oh, but the picture's back? Okay, well that's a step. That's a step in the right direction, right? Let's do this one more time. I have faith in all of you. You have all the magic power in the world. And on the count of 3, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi bobbidi alakazam boo. Let's see. Did it work? Yes? Oh my goodness, thank you so much, guys. You're all so magical and powerful. You're so awesome. I'm so happy that you were able to bring all of my coloring back. Give yourselves a round of applause. What a great magic trick. This trick includes 3 different stages of the magic trick. And the first stage that I like to use is the top flip of the book. When you flip from the top, you can see that there are pictures in the book, but they are not colored. So I like to banter with my audience and explain that I've spent all day coloring this book and I can't wait to show them my work. But when I show them my work, it creates conflict within the scene. So the audience tends to reach out and become active in engaging within this trick, which is great because you can play off of that. I ask them for their magic powers to help me bring the color back into the book. A second way to use this trick is flipping from the bottom. And when you flip from the bottom, all of the pictures disappear, as you can see. Another great way to engage the audience and then blame the audience for their failed attempt at their magic. And come back to really trying to figure out, how do I get my coloring book back to the way I had it this morning? I need your help, audience. So you can go back to the first stage of this book, you can stay at the second stage, but the third stage of this book is flipping from the middle, which is the prestige of your trick. As you can see, the pictures have returned, and they're all colored. So I love this book. It's a great way to have a really nice long interactive skit with you and your audience, whether they're adults or children. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to view this product, please click on the links below and share and like this video.